Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu, dear students. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Welcome to you all in Virtual Learning System, Session 2020, Pakistan International School, Taif. This is grade 9, subject Geography of Pakistan in lieu of Urdu, chapter number 7, Population. Inshallah, we will start today. This is my 7th lecture, and I am your subject teacher, Muhammad Yunus. Dear students, we are going to start chapter number 7. This is the population. Students' learning outcomes. After studying this chapter, the students will be able to explain the word population. They will be able to know about distribution of population of Pakistan. Number 3, they will be able to explain the causes of high birth rate of Pakistan. Number 4, they will be able to understand areas of dense population of Pakistan. Number 5, they will be able to explain areas of sparsely population of Pakistan. Number 6, they will be able to know about urbanization. Number 7, they will be able the characteristics of population of Pakistan. Dear student, first of all, I will define the population. Population is the number of living people that live together in the same geographical place. A city's population is the number of people living in that city. These people are called inhabitants or residents. Usually, population refers to the number of humans in a certain area. How can we count the population? This is a process that is called census. A census is a procedure of systematically acquiring and recording information about the members of a given population. This term is used mostly in connection with national population. Census is done after every 10 years in Pakistan. My dear students, who will study about the population of Pakistan now. Pakistan came into being as a new state in 1947. It has been a habitat of various immigrants who entered this great land on different occasions. They were Aryans, Greeks, Turks, Persian, Afghans, Arabs, and Mughals. According to the census of 1981, Pakistan's population was 130.58 million and was 9th populous country in the world. Population density was 105 persons per square kilometer. The annual growth rate was 2.61%. Pakistan's population in 2017 was about 208 million According to the 217 census of Pakistan, Pakistan was the world's fifth most populous country. The current population of Pakistan is about 221 million in 2020. Pakistan's population is equivalent to 2.83% of the total world population. Dear students, the question comes, define population density. It is defined as, it is the number of people per unit of area, usually quoted per square kilometer or square miles. Commonly, this may be calculated for a country, city, and an other territory or the entire world. One term is also used. The question can come like, define population growth. Population growth is the increase in number of individuals in a population. Population growth rate. It can become as a short question. Okay, what's meant by population growth rate? The population growth rate is the rate at which the number of individuals in the population increase in a given time period, expressed as a fraction of initial population. Specifically, population growth rate refers to the change in population over a unit time period, often expressed as a percentage of the number of individuals in the population at the beginning of that period. A positive growth rate indicates that population is increasing, while a negative growth rate indicates that the population is decreasing. My dear student, we will study about the United Nations Fund for Population Activities. It is a part of UNO, or the United Nations Organization. It was established as a trust fund in 1967 and began operations in 1969. According to a report of the United Nations Fund for Population Activity, the world population now 5.25 billion is increasing by 3% every second and about a quarter million every day. Now, the family planning was launched in July 1965 to reduce the population in Pakistan. In Pakistan, which is now our fifth most populous nation, a five-fold increase in population has taken place since the beginning of 20th century. It was therefore in July 1965 that family planning program was launched in Pakistan. Now, causes of rapid growth of population of Pakistan. Number one, continuously declining mortality. It means death rate. Slowly declining fertility rate. It means birth rate. The birth rate is more than death rate. So the population of the country increasing. Factors responsible for high birth rate. It means why the population of Pakistan is increasing very rapidly. Number one, very hot climate. Pakistan climatically is a very hot country. People mature at an early age, particularly in rural areas. Number two, large family considered blessing of Allah. A large family in villages is considered to be blessing and source of social prestige. Number three, joint family system. In the Muslim society, the expenditure of bringing up a child is shared by the members of the joint family. Number four, ignorance or responsibility of married life. Most of the people are illiterate and are unaware of the responsibilities and the liabilities of married life. So these are the four causes which are responsible for the rapid growth or the high birth rate in Pakistan. Dear students, we will learn here about the distribution of population in rural and urban areas. Urban areas population or urban population, the people living in cities are called urban population. 32.5% people live in urban areas in Pakistan. Rural population, the people living in villages are called rural population. 67.5% people are living in rural areas in Pakistan. The distribution of population in the country is influenced mainly by agriculture, commercial, and industrial possibilities and resources. In a developing country like Pakistan, it depends mainly on the agricultural resources. The agriculture and economic activities are dependent upon such geographical factors as relief, soil, climate, water supply, forest cover, and transport facilities. This distribution of population is not of a permanent nature. It is fluctuating. In fact, the rural population under the impact of industrial development in Pakistan is rapidly shifting to the urban areas. Modern science and technology have great impact on both rural and urban life. Densely populated areas. Here we will study about those areas where there is more population. An area which with a large population per square kilometer is considered densely populated area. Densely populated areas in Pakistan are as under. Number one, the river valleys. Number two, the Indus Basin. Number three, the Delta region. In the area of Pakistan, where climate is favorable and rainfall is sufficient, soil is fertile and growing period of crops is long, density of population increases. These areas are the river valleys, the Indus Basin Plain, the Delta region. And here are some other main areas. There is the more population on the basis of commercial and industrial activities. And these cities are like Karachi, Lahore, Faisalabad, Multan, Peshawar, Hyderabad, Mardan, Sargodha, Sialkot, etc. Here fertile soil and fairly good rainfall and enough water from well and canals have appreciably raised the agricultural production. So we can say these areas have the more population. Now, dear students, we will study about the sparsely populated areas. Sparsely means having less population. An area with a small population per square kilometer is considered sparsely populated area. Sparsely populated area in Pakistan are: number one, the northern and western high tracts. It means it is mostly the mountainous areas. Number two, the dry plateau of Balochistan. Number three, the desert area of Thal and Thar. In these regions, the low rainfall and sandy and stony soils have resulted in barren or wastelands. For these reasons, cultivation is difficult. As a result, the density of population is less than 20% per square kilometer. We can say, due to the shortage of different things which are necessary, for the life is not available there. So in these areas, there is the less population, and these areas are called sparsely populated area. This is the end of this chapter. Dear student, here is some homework. We will write the short question and answer on the notebook. Question number 1, define population. Question number 2, write 3 factors responsible for high birth rate in Pakistan. Question number 3, name 3 sparsely populated areas in Pakistan. What is the ratio of rural and urban population in Pakistan? What is meant by census? So today we finish the chapter number 7, and this is the time to say goodbye.